Hello and welcome to Workshop Studios. Today's project, as my friend in Australia likes to say, blocked drain. Yes, we have a blocked drain. So I will show you what was going on here and how this got broken off. There's supposed to be a cap on the top of this. This is a clean out because the sewer line probably runs from over there someplace all the way down the hill to over there. There's a manhole cover in that spot right there, if you can see it. So I'll show you what happened right now. On around there. Alright, with all that heavy equipment driving over here, mostly they were coming up this area here. They may have sheared that cap off. The thing is, we didn't know it was here. It had been buried for a long time and we never found it until these guys came through. So my hope is that it's just got some crud down there and we're going to use a simple clean out tool to see if we can clean that out. If not, we may have a bigger problem, but let's try the clean out first. I think the first thing I want to do here is just see how deep this is. I'm going to just stick this down in. Get some depth. Well, it feels like I'm hitting the bottom there. So that's another 3 feet down, maybe a little more than 3. Oh, did I get something there? That looks like it's gone down a little. That would be very good. Goes. Going down slowly. But it is going down, that's good. Yep. I'm going to see if I've got another one of those twirly-gig things. Here's a newer one. We'll try that. The other one, that's pretty bad. Seen better days on that one. Try it with a drill. See if it gives us any better result. Seem to want to go down there. Pretty much see which direction it wants to go. Probably hard for you to see. Trying to get a good picture. There we go. I've got a little expander thing on the end, and it's shooting down the pipe. Let's see if that'll clear it. All right, so it's clear. Hooray! We got it. I'm guessing that there's tree roots from that line all the way into here, and you can see there's plenty of trees to contribute to that, because I'll explain what I did. First, I went down with this thing, which is a toilet unplugger, but it got me around the corner, and I think what the issue was at the base there's a 45 or a whatever you call that, a junction that goes down in a curve, and I couldn't get past that with the little things. So I got this one, and it's much bigger, and I can really wind on it with this, and it definitely caught something here. I was really torquing on it, and it finally broke free, and that helped the water to run a little better. But then I ran this one, the little one, up and down it, the shaft, 3 or 4 times, and each time I did it, it got better and better. But the first time through, this was very slow going, because I think that it was tangling in tree roots, which is what I just said. So that, it's clear now. Absolutely, it's clear. But there's probably still remnants in there, and may have to get blasted out by a pro. These tools are just not big enough to get a lot of the tree roots. So next step is put that cap, or cut this off, put that cap on, and then put the utility box on top. And the idea is to have this cap down below the utility box, so you don't have anything putting weight on that cap, like what happened here originally with the skid steer going over the top of these things, breaking off the top. We don't want that anymore. Plus, when you use a box like this, you can see it very easily in the yard, and you know that there's something there. In this case, it'll be a sewer cleanout. So let's get busy. We're gonna cut that off. We're gonna glue this one on there, and then we're gonna dig that hole big enough to put that on there, so that it's flush with the ground, but not touching that cap. Well, it's close. Got to take a little more dirt out. And I have to avoid the cable over here. There's an internet cable running right here. So I'm going to need to go that way a little bit more. Well, there we go. All cleaned, buried, level, and that should keep the pipe safe from now on. So, we're all done. Hopefully it stays clear for a while. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe. Appreciate it. See you in the next video. Bye.